Welcome back to the channel, fam. What up, what up, what up? We are working on 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500. The customer stated the front end was wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. We are going to be replacing inner outer tie rods, shocks, upper control arm, lower control arm, wheel bearings, gearbox, all of the good stuff as is requested by the customer. No, actually, we recommended it. He came in actually just for an alignment, but when we do alignments, we always do diagnostics and we diagnose your issues. There's a reason why you want to get alignment. So those three bolts you see right there, that's gonna be for the gearbox. Those three bolts go through the frame and locks the gearbox into position. You want to use the marks from your pen and just mark your center links and also your intermediate shaft that connects to your gearbox. That way you put everything back in the position that it was, or else you're gonna mess up the clock spring. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll see y'all at the end. Peace. I'm out. So on this part right here, that is called the idle arm. I always remember that idle, meaning if your vehicle is idling, it's stationary. Pitman arm is the one that moves. Alrighty, we're working on the gearbox now. We're going to be removing this hose, the high pressure hose coming from the power steering pump. We're going to remove that. I believe it's an 18 millimeter. We're going to remove that nut. Once we remove the hose out of the way, the power steering fluid is going to leak out. It's not a big deal. Just make sure you catch the fluid. Clean as you go. You don't want to be walking around that stuff, fall and slip and bust your butt. Anyway, I got a long needle nose pliers. That's going to be the return hose going back to the reservoir. So I just pop it off right there. Bam! Pop the hose off. Well, pop the clamp off. Take the clamp off with the long needle nose. Then I can pop it off right here. I use a pry bar when I pop it off. Very easy. Alrighty, we're almost at the end of the video, guys.
Thank you. Rip it out. Put your hands on the gearbox. Ready?
And congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Look at them lower control arms, nice shocks, upper control arms, sway bar, end links. Yes sir, yes sir, very good sir, very good. I like it. Center link, we kept the center link. I didn't see any damage on it, no bands in it, which is marked left and right. That's called the center link. It's there. New idle arms, Pitman arms. Gearbox is new. If you guys find these videos informative, let me know. Shoot me a comment. You know, I'm just starting out on these videos. My channel is still new, so I don't even know if I'm getting out there to the world. So you guys want to comment, let me know if I'm getting out there or whatever. I don't know. If you like the videos. Alright, peace. I'm out. Have a good day.